What makes it honest, Dressler, huh? The fact that we make no money at it. What is it exactly, this honesty? Is it the filth? The sweat? You think real estate isn't dirty? You think trading in people's securities doesn't make you sweat? How is a man any more honest because he doesn't take chances? Because he doesn't advance one iota? You know what I think? I think you're a communist at heart, that's what I think. No. Wait, not even a communist. At least a communist believes in workers' rights. What are you, Dressler? A guy without dreams. That's all. A guy without dreams. Every man has a right. Every woman, every person in this world has a right to fulfill their dreams, even you. And I apologize for interrupting your work, but I just want you to know that I'm on my way now. I'm going places. But I'll never forget my roots. Oh, I'll forget my roots. I'll move over the landscape above you and never, ever think of you again. And you want to know why? Because a person needs to forget that there are crap jobs and slime under every rock and grease with no end. And I can't remember the rest. Dressler, that moment between us, what happened to that moment? When you were supposed to look over at me and say my name. Remember? Hey Emmett, you worked your ass off down here.